if in the next 24 hours of trying this exact method that I want to show you to get subscribers and you don't get any subscribers on your channel, please come back to this channel to unsubscribe, because I am so confident in this method that I want to show you that if you implement exactly the way I'm going to share in this video, you should be able to get massive subscribers on your channel in the next 24 hours. And if you're lucky enough, you should be able to get more than 1,000 subscribers in the next 24 to 48 hours. That is how confident I am in this method. Now, I'm going to be sharing with us two methods you can use to get massive subscribers right now to your channel. Now, the first method that I want to share, you don't need to upload any video on your channel before you can start getting subscribers. This is actually a brand new update that I saw yesterday on X, and a lot of people have been talking about it, that it is working for them. And I also implemented it on my channel yesterday and I saw the results. So I know if you try the first method, it should work for you. Now, the second method, I am 100% sure that it is going to get you a lot of subscribers in the next 24 hours. All right, so you don't want to miss any part of this video by skipping any part, because if you skip any part, it may actually be the main reason why this particular method is not going to work for you. So before we head into that, if you're seeing this face for the very first time, hi, my name is Buki, and on this channel I share tips that can help you grow very fast on YouTube as a YouTuber. So if this sounds like what you want for your channel, please do also like this video, subscribe to this channel, so that whenever I drop more tips that can help your channel grow, you're going to be the first person to see it. So with that being said, let's just head straight into the main video. Now, for the first method, you're actually going to be using your channel ID to make people subscribe to your channel even without having to upload any video. Now, channel ID is different from channel URL. Channel URL is that particular one that you can see under your customization section in your YouTube studio. So to get your channel ID, you need to log on to YouTube, but not the app. You'll be logging into YouTube through the desktop site. So go to Chrome and type youtube.com, not studio, just type youtube.com, and it is going to bring you to this interface like this. Now, once you're in this space like this, click on your profile picture and you're going to see this Google account, Switch account. Scroll to the end of the interface where you can see settings. So click on settings and you're going to see this. Choose how you appear and what to see on YouTube. So scroll down a bit and you're going to see your YouTube channel. Under your YouTube channel, you can see channel status, add or manage channel. Click on view advanced settings. So it is going to load up like this, and here is your channel ID. You can see user ID is different from channel ID. Okay, once you can see this, click on copy. Now, once you copy it, paste it somewhere. Now, all channel can actually see this, channel ID this way, because I tried it on my other channel, but I couldn't find this channel ID. So if you try this method and you can't find your channel ID, go back to your Chrome browser. I'm going to show you another method to find your channel ID. Once you go to Chrome browser, type stream Weasel. Is it Weasel or Weasel? Just type what you can see on the screen. Now, this is what you're going to see. So just scroll down. This is the particular site, Stream Weasels. So once you see it, don't click on it, just scroll under it a bit. You're going to see YouTube channel ID finder. So click on that particular icon, YouTube channel ID finder, and after clicking on it, it will bring you to this interface. It will show you all these ads. Just scroll down a bit to where you can see this particular interface. Now, to get your channel ID, just type your handle. Okay, so I'm just going to type my daily tips with Buki, and then after you've typed your handle, just click on convert YouTube username to ID, and you can see it has converted my channel ID. This is it. So once you've seen this, just copy the ID. The next thing, go to YouTube. Now, once you open the YouTube app, go to your profile picture, go to where your videos is. Now click on that three dots and click on edit. Okay, now once you click on edit, go to the description of the particular video. Now look for somewhere in the description where you can add the subscribe button. Okay, so I'm just going to create space here, and then the next thing you want to put is write W in small letter, www.youtube.com, then /channel. Then you're not going to put another slash, and then paste that channel ID which you copied. After you're done with this, go back and save what you did. Now you can do this on every of your video and every video you upload from now on. Right now, let me show you the results of what we just did. I'm just going to click on one of my videos, then go to the description of the video, and voila, this is what we have. You can see the moment you click on that particular icon where you can see daily tips with book, you subscribe to my channel. You understand? So whoever comes to your channel or comes to watch your video and clicks on the description, once they click on that particular thing, they are going to subscribe to your channel. Do you understand? So this is actually working, and this is the new way you can, get more subscribers. And you can also paste that exact thing in your comment section so that those that are commenting can actually see it. Paste it in the comment section and pin it, so that way you'll be getting faster subscriber. Now the next method to get subscribers is go back to your YouTube app. At the top of the interface, you're going to see the search icon. Click on the search icon and then type this exact channel's name. This is the exact channel name you should use if you're looking for fast subscribers. Okay, so just type both blocks, okay, and search for this channel. It is going to load up and bring it to this interface. This is the exact channel we'll be using. It has 2.1 million subscribers. So go to the shorts videos of this channel. Now click on popular. Now this guy has a lot of videos that are doing so well, so we're going to be starting with the first one. Once you come to this interface like this, click on that three dots you can see at the top, okay, and you're going to see this. Click on description and it is going to bring this. So what you want to do is to screenshot this particular description, okay, screenshot it and save it to your photos or your gallery. All right, now go back, and these icons that you can see at the right hand side, click on this particular icon and you're going to see this interface. I'm going to show you this. Use this sound collab green screen. Click on collab, okay, and you're going to see this interface. Now at the top of the screen, you're going to see 15 seconds. So you want to make sure that you're using the full video, because it is the full video that is going to give you the subscribers very fast. So click on 15 seconds and it is going to change to 60 seconds. So now you want to drag this thing to the very end so that it is going to play the full video. So once you've dragged, click on next and it is going to process and take you to the next interface. This is what you're going to see. It will automatically turn on your camera. The first thing you want to do, especially if you're using Android phone, is to make sure that your microphone is muted, okay. Mute it before you start this. Now after that, just click on the red button and then you start reacting to this particular video, just like the way I'm doing in this video. Now after you're done reacting, just click on the mark sign and then it is going to process. Now you can as well add stickers, you can add text if you want, okay, but not necessary. Right now just click on next and it's going to take you to the next interface. This is what you're going to see. So the first thing, click on that pencil icon to choose a very clickable thumbnail. So I'm just going to choose a very catchy part of the video and use as thumbnail. So once you're done, click on the mark sign, come back to this place where you can see caption. Now you want to go back to the screenshot you screenshotted initially. Go to your gallery and look for it, okay. Now what you want to do is long press on the title. I'm going to copy it and then take it back to YouTube, and then you just come here and paste it on the caption. Now the next thing is you're going to add hashtag Minecraft hashtag duet, because you're actually duetting, you're reacting to this. Now after you've done this, the next thing is go back to the screenshot and copy the description, and then you come and paste it in the description of this particular video. And once you're done with this, just go back and save. Then you upload the shot. Now for you to get maximum results, you need to upload at least 6 to 7 shots, this kind of shots, 6 times in a day. Okay, now look at my channel. This particular video that you can see with 22k views gave me more than 700 subscribers, just one video. All right, you can see the remaining video there are my own video and they are on private. Okay, so this actually works. You want to make sure that you are doing this consistently. Don't just upload one video and expect to see results. At least upload 6 shots so that you're going to get that fast subscribers within 24 hours. And after you've gotten your 1000 subscribers, please stop this method. Do not continue this method. All right, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to drop a like, and I'm going to see you in my next one. Bye.